All right. I don't think I've done this before, so this is going to be an interesting little adventure. Okay, guys, we're going to do an animal research project using the internet. Since now we're in distance learning, I thought this would be really fun. And it totally integrates your standards, specifically standard of informational text, where you have to take information from more than one source. And remember we talked about integrate when you mix it all together. And so you're going to look up information about an animal using different sources. And so this will show you how you're going to do that. So the first thing to do is you got to pick an animal. What's interesting? What do you want to learn more about? You can do a cheetah, a zebra, but please don't pick a dog or a cat. Not that those are wrong or they're bad, but let's choose something that you don't see all the time or you don't know that much about. I think I just heard my baby cry. I really hope not. So then you have to research. You have to use as many sources as you can. You have to use at least 2 sources. So you could go to Epic, straight from Clever, that you will have an account access to. I'm sure some of you might have already been using it, and you could search and see if there's a book on the animal you want. You can go to this website, Ducksters, and go under Science and look for animals. The Kids National Geographic. You can go to this one, DK Find Out, Kids San Diego Zoo, or, well, good grief. You can go to Wikipedia. I don't know if it's showing Wikipedia, but that's one of my favorite things, Wikipedia. Okay, so then you're going to organize your information. Everybody has a Google slideshow, and Google Slides is what I use a lot when I'm teaching you guys in the actual classroom. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a minute. But you will have it, instead of using a paper graphic organizer that we would have used in class, you will do this. And the great thing is you can do this on any device, a tablet, iPad, a phone, a computer. And you're going to just fill in the information just as you would a normal graphic organizer. Then is the fun part that I think you guys are really going to like is you have to design it. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in the next video is to add the pictures. You can change the font, you can change the color and make it look like how you want it to. Then's the part that you probably won't like as much. But I wanted you to challenge yourself, and we have been doing so great with writing this whole year. You guys are some of my best writers I've ever had. So I want you to write about your animal, and I'm going to have an example for you to look at. So just like we've always done, make sure you have complete sentences, capital letters, and punctuation. Make sure you put periods at the end of a thought. Don't just talk on and on and on and on. Make sure you have the hook in your introduction, and I'm sure you can think of some fun ones for animals. And then the body of your writing is just going to be 3 facts about your animal with some details. And again, I'm going to model and show you what that looks like, but this does not have to be this super long. I'm not looking for pages and pages. It's just information about your animal that you are essentially are teaching us. Then the other part, then you're going to present it. So you're going to take that writing, you're going to go to Flipgrid, and you're going to read it out loud. Just remember on Flipgrid, you don't have to show your face. You can cover up your camera. You can, or just take a picture of yourself or whatever. Decorate the screen, make it look fun, just like we've done it before. And that's the end of this slideshow. My next video, I'm going to show you how you will fill in the graphic organizer and then also design your own slideshow.